Want to publish your research paper but don't know where to start? In this video, I'll show you the complete step-by-step process to publish a paper in IJERT even if you're a beginner. So, before knowing how to publish, let's know what is IJERT. So, IJERT stands for International Journal of Engineering Research and Technology. So, it is a platform where students and researchers can publish their research papers in engineering and technology domains. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Namrita. And if you're looking for job updates, internship updates, and free courses, and many more career opportunities, you can just subscribe to my channel and you can just explore the videos I post here. And you can on the notification for latest updates and follow my social media handles for more. So here you can see the latest videos I have posted. It is mostly about hirings, internships, and free courses. You can see. So next you need to choose a topic. First you need a strong topic. It can be your final year project, mini project, research idea, or review paper. And make sure your topic solves a problem or adds value, like it should be a real time problem. So during this period, as many of you will be having your final year project, so I thought of making this video so that it will be useful for you guys. Next, how to write a paper. So your paper must consist of abstract, introduction, methodology, results, conclusion, and references. So here is a research paper. You must have a title, that the title of the paper, like suppose the name of the project you did, you can add it there. And abstract, a short summary of the research paper. So here the abstract means a short summary of the research paper, means summary of your project. You can write it like a short summary. Okay, like paragraph you can write it. And introduction explains the background of the research. Like we'll be giving a brief introduction about it. Then methods, describe the method used to conduct the research, and then results, what the results you got, and discussion like the meaning of results and how they relate to research questions. And you can summarize all the main headings and references, list of sources used in the research paper. And very important is you must format your like research paper in the format of IEEE. So these are some points you can consider. A4 or letter sized paper, either use two or one column format. Use the font style as Times New Roman and size 10 to 12. Top margin, and just check with this. And center title at the top. For the title, you can use 14 to 16. And for the normal content, you can like take 10 to 12. Then bracketed numbers for in-text citations. This must be in your like title must be first, and then the authors, then abstract, and you must have keywords. Then introduction, like what is the context of this project, how does it fit with other research on the topic, what is the research questions and methods, what did the authors do to answer the questions, and results means what was the answer to the question. This is often shown in tables and figures. So when you keep a heading and results, then you can keep some content there, and you can add tables, figures in results. Okay, in discussion, what is the significance of this project, how does it fit in with what else is known about the topic, like compared to something else, like how does that relate, what else did you add, references, materials the author cited when writing this paper. Like if you're not getting idea what to write and all, just take the help of AI. Just know, like just gather the points and write in your own words. That will often reduce the plagiarism, so try to do like that. So what I'm going to show you today, that is the how to publish the paper. This will be very easy. 90% like in most of the cases your paper will be accepted and it will be published, so it will be easily published, so you don't need to worry. But be careful a little with the plagiarisms. So the research paper should look like something like this. So here is the main title and then author. So here the like first abstract and keywords you can keep, then introduction, and then the other things as I mentioned earlier, like abstract, methodologies, conclusion, references, those. So in this format, your paper should be. And most importantly, check plagiarism. Try to keep below 10 to 15%. So the website I'm going to show will easily accept your paper. So don't take stress for that much. And for checking the plagiarism, you can use the tools like Turn It In. If you're finding this video helpful, please like, hype, and share with your friends because your one share can help someone. Right. So now let me tell you how to publish a paper, how to log in IJERT portal. So first you need to submit a paper, then your login will be created or the login will be created. So if you click see, you need email address and password. So firstly you need to click on submit paper and submit your paper, and everything you can track on other login. Once you submit your paper, you'll get the paper ID and all. So you can just click on submit paper. So here you can fill your details, email address, password, the phone number, and you can publish your paper here. For reference, I'll just show my paper which was accepted and it's ready to publish. So our research paper looks something like this. As you can upload and be careful here. Main corresponding author is give your name and your teammate's name because when you like publish it, they'll give you the certificates so that will be proof for all you guys. Like that certificates will be needed in college. So make sure you're giving your team members' names also along with yours. Like first, the main corresponding author you can give the team leader name and then add others you can add your teammates name, and also you can add your guide name as well if you want. Then your paper title means your project name or project title. If then affiliation, like you can give your college name, university, or anything company name. And search area, branch, like which branch, country. This will be auto selected. You can leave that as it is, and you can just leave this referral code also, this optional, and then click on I agree and submit paper. That's all. You will be done with it. After submitting your paper, you will get a mail like this, like successfully submitted, and you'll get a paper ID. Just like keep it safe, and you can just track like the status of your paper. So the review will take initially it will take 3 to 7 working days. I got it within 2 days only. So after, like, you can track your, you can log in here like in the other account, and you can track your real-time status of your manuscript. Like you can check what's the process and read messages and updates of editorial team. You can download certificates, invoices, and published articles. Respond promptly. Like these things you can do when you get the other account. Now, once you register, like once you publish your paper, you will get your paper ID, right? And your account will be also created here. So you can just log in and check your status. And you can just verify and activate your account. And from this link, you can check the status of your paper and keep checking your account daily so you don't miss any update from them. So you can log in here, and yeah, I got the acceptance mail. So accepted for publication. So to publish it, we need to pay some amount like 2.7K. We need to pay to publish the paper. We need to pay 2,700. If you pay that, you will get your certificates. Okay, and your paper will be published online. And before making any payment, just inform your like guide, or in college just inform like we have done this, should we proceed with the payment or not. Just confirm once. And as I said, you can like download your certificate after paying the amount. So after you get this paper acceptance update, you need to make the payment, right? You can just from here also you can do the payment, or you can just log into the other account. You just need to give your email and password. And if you don't remember, you can just log in with the OTP. That will be much easier. See, I have published my paper and it got accepted. And here you can see the dashboard. You can check your submitted paper and you can check the status of it. Okay. Payment is pending for me. I'll do it. And after you publish, you'll get the certificates. You can go to home page. Here you can check paper status. You can submit new paper. You can see your certificates here. And if you have any doubts or any queries, or if you need any help, you can just contact them. They'll respond. And you can just click here to complete your registration. So here you can see, you can make a payment and then upload the screenshot. And other photo is optional. You can leave that. receipt you need to upload, and here you need to upload the doc, like Word format of your research paper and PDF format also. Then click on submit and it will get submitted. Okay. Then your paper will be published. You'll get the certificates and you can submit in your college. So yes, that's it for today. If you have any doubts regarding this video or any other videos from my channel, you can just let me know in the comment section. I'll surely reply to everyone. And if you found this video useful, please like, hype and share. So see you in next video. Till then, keep learning. Bye bye.